Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment. So let's begin. The first thing to do now is to simply create a project, or you can start already working on the project that you already have. If you want to continue working on your project, you will be needing just to click on it. In my case, I'm just going to start a new one. So from here, I'm just going to choose, for example, these multiple footage. I'm just going to click on done, and now it will take us to the editing panel. So from here, we will be able to start adding all the edits of our video. And basically, to add anything, you will be needing to just go to the tools or the toolbar that you have at the bottom. And from there, you will need just to choose voiceover. As you can see here, there is this voice button that will allow us to add a voice over because there are other options of modifying the volume of the videos or the audio of our footage, and the one that we want to add is to simply voice. You click on it and then you start recording on top of your video. So the footage will be start going, and then you can start adding a voiceover, and that way it will be synchronized with the video since you are going to talk and see the video going on. So you will need just to click on record, and when you finish, you will need just to click on done, and basically you will have the recording that will be added to your footage here. So let's just add something and let's just stop, click OK, and now you will be able to start adding effects to your video, to your audio, and start editing on it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.